Hey y'all, so I've got a 2-pound bag of these cubed hash browns, not the shredded kind. 3 stalks of celery that I've diced up into small bits, and a couple of green onions. 2 tablespoons of yellow mustard. A 1/4 cup of sweet relish. Just take a spoon, and easiest way to measure this out. 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Goes all the way around, like so. 1/2 teaspoon of paprika, like that. And a 1.5 cups of mayo, which is this entire bottle, this 12 ounces. Love these recipes where I can use the entire bottle, not leave half bottles or, a 1/3 of a bottle in the fridge. Then we're gonna cut up 6 hard-boiled eggs. I've already done a couple here. We're just going to take an egg slicer like that, put the hard-boiled egg in the middle, slice it one direction, pull it out, turn it 90, and cut it the other way. The easiest way to just chop up a bunch of eggs for whatever you're making. I'm gonna do one more. Slide it this way, turn it 90, and slide it that way. Isn't that pretty when it comes out like that? Okay. Give everything a toss. Frozen hash browns, especially these cubed ones, are the best way to make a potato salad. I don't know how you make them, but I make them using hash browns all the time, and they can come out amazing, and everybody is always so impressed. So good. Okay, once that is all mixed together, just go ahead and put this all in one layer, like so. Just go ahead and put this in the fridge until those hash browns defrost and all those flavors get melted together. Now that that's been defrosting and melding together for a couple hours, I've got some regular salt. I don't like to add it before it sits, and some cracked black pepper. We're also going to be adding some dill. Always a great herb to use with eggs. So good. Oh, I love the smell of dill. It smells so good. Smells like Easter and springtime. Also gonna be adding just a little splash of lemon juice just to brighten everything up. Not too much though. Give this another stir. This is such a great side salad for a barbecue or Easter brunch. So easy to make and tastes absolutely delicious. Go in and get a little taste test of this. That's delicious. That's delicious. Who knew you could make potato salad using hash browns? You should totally make a batch. Really, really good.